The Sargent lock set kit includes all of the parts needed, as well as a door prep template and instructions. You will need a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a 1/8 inch Allen wrench. Before starting, check the door preparation. Be sure the pocket is clear of debris. Next, verify the hand of the lock body. Red indicates the outside or locked side. If it is necessary to change the hand of the locking piece, turn the lock body so that the red mark on the locking piece is visible. Use a flathead screwdriver to push the locking piece toward the back of the lock body and rotate it 180 degrees until the red shows on the other side. To change the hand of the latch bolt, insert the screwdriver blade into the triangular slot. Rotate the screwdriver to push the latch bolt out until the back of the bolt clears the lock body, and rotate 180 degrees until it drops back into the lock body. The dead latch is self-adjusting. Install the lock body. Insert the lock body into the door prep. Install the outside lever and rose assembly. Carefully insert mounting posts through the door and lock body. The outside rose assembly should be flush with the surface. Insert the spindle into the inside adapter and plate assembly. Locate and engage the spindle into the lock body and secure with 2 number 832 by 3/4 inch long screws. Do not tighten completely. Slide the spring and rose over the cylinder and screw into the lock body. A key pulled slightly out of position can be used to help screw the cylinder down. The cylinder should be flush with the rose edge and the Sargent logo horizontal. Tighten the cylinder retainer with a Phillips screwdriver. Next, secure the lock body in the edge of the door with 2 number 12 wood screws. For metal doors, use the 2 12/24 by 1/2 inch long screws. Tighten firmly. Next, tighten the through bolt screws firmly and screw the rose onto the inside adapter tightly. Install the inside lever. Insert the lever onto the spindle. Secure the lever in place with a 1/8 inch Allen wrench. The set screw must seat in the groove on the inside adapter. Attach the outside front plate with the 2 832 by 1/4 inch long screws. Be sure to test the lock for proper operation before closing the door.